Hello, my fellow nail art lovers. Welcome back to Nail Hub. Today, we're going to dive into the spirit of Halloween with some ghostly nail art. Get ready to haunt the scene with these adorable ghost nails. Let's get started. Step 1. First, prep your nails by filling and shaping them to your desired length. Apply a base coat to protect your natural nails. Once the base coat is dry, choose a ghostly shade like white or a pale gray and paint all your nails with it. This will be the base color for our ghost design. Let it dry completely. Step 2. Ghost shape. Now it's time to create the cute ghost shape on your nails. Take a thin brush or a dotting tool and dip into the contrasting color like a black or dark gray, starting from the base of your nail, creating a rounded shape for the ghost's head. Then, using the same color, draw two small circles or ovals for the eyes. You can make them spooky or friendly, it's up to you. Step 3. Ghost expression. Let's give your ghost some personality using the same thin brush or dotting tool. Draw a smile or any other facial expression you'd like for your ghost. You can make it happy, mischievous, or even scared. Get creative and have fun with it. Step 4. Finishing touches. Allow your ghost nails to dry completely and then seal the design with the glossy top coat. This will protect your nail art and give it a polished finish. If you want to add some extra flair, you can also apply some glittery top coat or add tiny rhinestones for a ghostly sparkle. And there you have it, my friends. You have just created some spectacular ghost nails. I can't wait to see your hauntingly beautiful creations. So don't forget to share with me. Have a beautiful time rocking your ghostly manicure.